Hi everybody. While you're home remote learning, I thought I would remind you about our amazing Digital Maine library. If you've never opened it before, the shortcut on your iPad is going to be kind of grayed out, kind of a grayed out world. But if you have opened it before, then it will look like that black shortcut in the top row with the bright green D. So I'm going to open it and it brings me to Maine Digital Library. And from here I can scroll and look at all of the really cool resources. There's Ben's Guide to U.S. Government. That has the games, the state games. Another one of my favorites is In Context Middle School, that first one. That's really good for, it's a database and it's really good for searching all kinds of things. National Geographic Kids has all of their books and their magazines, so really good resource there. And finally, World Book Student, which is a great encyclopedia because you can look up just about anything. Now, when you click one of these resources, because they are paid for by the state of Maine, they want to make sure that you're in the state of Maine. So you just use my location, and that tells them that you are in the state of Maine. Now you can look up whatever you want. Once you're in here, if you need to cite the article because you're using it for a project, going to the upper right settings and clicking citation, and then you can just copy and paste that right into your works cited document. Hope that helps.